Welcome people to Eddie Recipes Kitchen. Today we are preparing ewedu, which is known as jute leaf in English. So ewedu is a traditional leaf that is good for a soup, a draw soup here in southwestern Nigeria. And so here we are preparing ewedu. We want to make ewedu. The leaves are being picked here. You can see the leaves right here. And we are trying to get a good quantity for cooking. You can see it right here. Now after picking it this way, you can wash it also to remove any kind of dirt or sand. Then you put water on fire and add corn or sodium carbonate or whatever that they use in your area. Then when the water has been boiled, you add the ewedu. You can see it here. You cook it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you allow it to be soft, which is eaten in Nigeria in Yoruba land. And this is the right preparation. Do you actually know that Ewedu soup is rich in iron, which is very good for your blood and for your entire health? So eat Ewedu and you enjoy it. When the leaves have become soft, then we bring in this specially provided broom for cooking. In southwestern Nigeria, it is called ijabe. So you use it to mash it and mash it until it forms a very good mash and slurry mixture. Alternatively, you can pour it in your blender and blend it slightly. If you blend it too much, then it will not form the texture of the traditional ewedu. It will be too smooth, and that one will not be like the real ewedu that is required. So you can use the traditional broom, ijabe, to mash it this way. Then after mashing it this way to your satisfaction, to your texture, then you can add iru. Iru is actually locust bean that has been prepared traditionally. You can see the ewedu here.